welcome back to my channel. To all my new and returning subscribers, hey, how you doing? So I am back with another hair review, and today, you guys, the hair that we are going to be reviewing is a curly wig. With the summertime coming around, y'all know I love curly hair. Well, I just love curly hair anytime, so the fact that I was sent a curly hair unit to review, thank you. And I actually am not sure of the name of this company, but it is an Amazon company. I don't know why I just stopped like that, but it is an Amazon company, and I will leave the link down below in the description box for this unit. And I just want to say thank you to them for sending me over this unit to review. Now, it does come in this beautiful box, and y'all know I love bags, but baby, I love boxes too. So the fact that this came with a box, okay, come through. And upon opening the box, the wig comes in a bag. Honey, that's a 2-for-1. Comes with a bag and a box. Okay. So, and then it also comes with some little goodies, and these are powder puffs. Those kind of like the old school powder puffs. Like if you're familiar with that red kind of sponge that your grandma kept in the bottom of her purse to blot her face, that's what these are. And it comes with a little note on it, and the note says, "The most beautiful encounter is to receive your order. Wish you happy every day." And it has a cute little panda on it, y'all, and that's so cute. I think that's a panda. If not, it's a cute little something on there. It's cute, y'all. It's cute. It comes with, as you can see, I love big hoop earrings. It comes with a pair of these are silver, right? Big silver hoop earrings. I don't know why they look gold on the camera, but they're silver. Big silver hoop earrings, similar to the ones that I have on right here. And these are gold. And then it comes with the wig cap. So it comes with a couple of nice little goodies that we always like. So let's get into the wig. And y'all, I think this wig is similar to that red wig that I did do a review on from Amazon that I got last year that I fell in love with. I think that this is what this hair is similar to. And if that is what this hair is similar to, baby, let me get my mirror ready. Cause child, this is how the curls look. The curls are starting to look like that red one. The curls are looking like the red one, y'all. I don't know. And it has like this pretty like little brown, like it's brown, and then it has like honey brown highlights, y'all. Okay, has the straps in the back and the combs. Has a comb. I don't know, combs are placed kind of weird. I don't know, but it's 2 combs and then the straps in the back. But y'all, I don't know, I think this gonna look like that red, and if it is, so I went and pulled out the big detangler comb that I used on that red wig. Let me see, because if this is like that red, hold on, y'all, let me take these, because these straps, they got these straps on the they got this wig snug, baby. The straps, y'all know I don't like these straps, so I'm about to just cut them out, because these straps, they get stuck in my kitchen area, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just cut the straps out already, because with wigs like this, if this is just like that red wig, if you need extra security with it, you can always take some bobby pins, and the way that the wig cap is made inside, you can just take bobby pins and stick it in there and make it do what it do, or you can sew more combs in. So yeah, let's see. Y'all, do I have this on right? Cause hold on, it's on right? Let me see. Stick the combs in. Then of course, let me take these earrings off first, because I do not want to snag my ear while I am doing this. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Why I feel like I look like Mary Wilson from the Supremes, y'all. Why I feel like I look like Mary Wilson from the Supremes. Honey, why do I feel like I'm giving we are dream girls more will make you happy? Ooh, okay. So yes. yes. Now she is not exactly like that red wig, but y'all, this is cute. And I'm just looking in the mirror right here, just doing a little extra vibe. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my earrings back on because I feel like everything is together and I feel like she is looking good. So I feel like if I want to do anything else with her, I could do her with my hands. So let me put my earrings back on so I can give the full look. Okay. Yes. You guys, this wig, y'all, just like the red wig, is a winner, because y'all know I love curls. I love curls like this. This puts me in the mindset of when you used to get perms and then you get the big rollers all over your hair. You sit up under the dryer and then she takes the rollers out. Like, y'all, this is so cute, and the color is so pretty. Like, this color is bomb. This color is like, y'all, this is such a cute little wig. And then of course, you know, the more that you play with it, the more you comb it out, the bigger she shall get, y'all. And the hair is so soft. Like, it is so soft, it's so full, and as you're running your fingers through it, you're not getting any snags. Y'all, I feel like I'm back in the 70s, baby. Sheba, baby. I feel like Pam Grier when she was in Coffee. Like, oh, hair like this just makes me feel, it made me feel sexy. Whoa. So of course, y'all know I want to give y'all a little bit of modeling or whatnot with the hair. So let me give you just a little bit. Just a little bit, not too much. Too much, y'all. Like, yes. Whew. Yes, honey. Yes, you can't tell me I ain't bad. You can't. You can't. You cannot tell me. Look, Cause baby, you can't tell me I ain't fine. So again, I will leave the link down below in the description box for this hair for you all to get, because this is definitely one you need in your collection. Like, especially if you love big curls like me. Like, I'm not even over exaggerating, y'all. I love this wig. I love this wig. Now, when you first put it on, like I did earlier, you know, it'll scare you a little bit. But remember, with wigs, you have to customize it to you. It is for you. You have to customize it to your liking. So this is how I like it. Big curls, big everything. It just fits my Georgia dome of a head. So just remember that when you guys are looking at these hair reviews, that is something that you have to make sure that you're thinking about when you go through and you're doing these, you know, watching these hair reviews from other influencers on here, on YouTube, as well as on TikTok, that, you know, we're customizing the hair to us. Y'all, am I an influencer? I don't think so. I just think I'm somebody that likes to review hair and that likes hair and stuff like that. So I'm not an influencer at all. But for people that, you know, share their love of, you know, hair here on the internet, on YouTube or TikTok, remember that, you know, it's being customized to their liking. It's being customized to the way that they like their hair. And y'all, I can't stop looking at myself over here in this monitor, because honey, I date myself. Like, I want to take myself, like, what's up, baby? Let me take you out to dinner. Like, I want to take you out to dinner. That's why I keep looking over here at myself, cause honey, okay. But like I said, I will leave the link down below in the description box for this unit. Go pick it up. Also, I want to thank you guys for taking time out your day to just sit here and watch my video. I truly appreciate it. Make sure that you go through and you like, comment, and subscribe to join this tribe. And also, make sure that you turn on that little bell so that you're notified each time that I drop a video. And also, y'all already know what I'm gonna ask. Share my video. Come on. Don't be stingy with me. Share me. All right, you guys. Bye.